Hey y'all, it's your girl fiance back again with another video. I was gonna wait to come on here when I had my wig braids and when I was looking semi-presentable, at least some eyebrows or something, but you know, it is what it is, and I just don't have time, and even if I do have time, I just want to use that time to relax. So you're getting me in my raw natural state, looking like a nerd mom. Okay, so it is what it is. So I want to show you guys this month's IPSY. I know it's probably backwards, I'm not sure what it looks like in there, but yes, I wanted to show you this month's IPSY Glam Bag Plus that I received. This was probably my first and last time doing that. That stuff's like $25. I will say it was kind of worth it, because I remember thinking to myself, like, I'm not gonna do that, it's not worth it, all that stuff, but I ended up doing it, and I think that I like it. So, but it probably will be my last time, and I'll probably make another video as to why it'll be my last time. Nothing really to do with price per se, because like I said, I feel like the amount of money I paid for it, for what I got, was good. Also, check out my nails. I don't know if they're in there good, but anyways, my middle fingers have gold flakes on them. I went to the nail shop and I told the girl that I had something, I showed her a picture, something specific in mind, and she was like, you know what, I'm not gonna do it exactly like the picture. So when I go in there, I'm like, okay, maybe one or two of them, like maybe she can't make it the same as the picture, but really what she did was just freestyled. And you know how most people would be upset about something like that, but I didn't mind. So I mean, they still came out cute at the end of the day. Mind y'all, I ain't got my nails done in like 2 years or something like that. So last time I went, still going to the Asians, getting all that acrylic on there, and like it's smelling like death. But I got like this different way, I forgot what it was called, but yes, it worked great. So anyways, let's dive into this box, because I'm actually kind of impressed with the things that I got. So first, I want to start off with this Murad, I don't know. Anyways, I know it's backwards. I can't tell if it's my phone like that or because I have my camera a different way. But anyways, I have this Murad hydration exfoliation cleanser. I did not use it yet, but everybody said it works really good on them and it has a lot of really good reviews. I use it on my husband because he had like a couple of acne spots that he was like, this is getting ridiculous, because typically men don't use facial care products like that. So I did like a whole routine with him and he got cleared right up. So yeah, but anyways, this is what it looks like. A nice little purpley bottle or whatever. And like I said in previous videos, I don't really do skincare all the time, so I am really excited to try this on my face. I don't really have bad skin, but improvement is never a bad thing. So that's the first thing that I got. The second thing that I got is from Thrive Cosmetics. It is some mascara, and I think they're called cosmetics because they're like, cruelty free, all that good stuff, really, on trend and stuff like that, no animal abuse, all that. So I just wanted to interject real quick. Because I can talk. Thrive Cosmetics liked and commented on my picture on Instagram that I posted up with their product inside of my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So yes, go check your girl out. It is Snatched by Fee, just like how it is on the channel. That stuff, but I really, really, really like the packaging. I've never been a person that was like, all into packaging, because for some reason people, that makes or breaks them, whether or not they like a product or not. But not for me. So I have this right here. The packaging is actually like really nice, like I said, and it's like super, like, it feels like luxury almost, like it's really really heavy. Also, I forgot to show you guys the prices for this stuff. So the first thing that I had was the Murad or whatever, and that was $39. So it's kind of pricey for me. It's kind of pricey, not something that I would typically buy. Like skincare, $10 max for me. That's just the type of person I am. Then the mascara is, let me see, I had to take a break, y'all. Somebody had texted me. The mascara is $24. I forgot how much they said this month's bag was worth. I be looking at that stuff and I'm like, oh yeah, I need to put that in the video. And then like I said, if you know me, I'm a little bit lazy. It's whatever. But y'all, content, I'm out here trying. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, also, forgive me if I'm whispering. My baby is asleep, so you gotta take advantage of whatever time you got. Okay. So anyways, the next thing that I got is a 5-piece brush set. I really actually like getting brushes. These feel really good. There wasn't any shedding or anything when I opened them. And they're by Farrah Cosmetics or something, I guess. And for that brush set, it is $48, and it is the most expensive thing inside of the box. But I'm really excited to, get into these brushes, see how they work with the products that I have and things like that, and, products that I've already had. And then, this right here was like, when I previewed the box on, the app, this was probably, like,
boy, if you don't
like, the thing that I was most excited about. So it's, like, basically highlighter that you can add to your foundation routine, or like, put in your regular highlight places. And I really I've been wanting to try some stuff like this, but I never really got around to it. But it is this. It's by Suva Beauty, and it is called Trust Fund, which I really love that name because it has like the gold flakes in there, so you just think about a little rich girl or something like that. And I want to feel like a rich girl, like with my highlight popping, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try and use it before the hot days are up, because kids going back to school, and as soon as they go back to school, you hit fall, and then it's downhill from there. I mean, I wear highlighter in the colder months too, but it's not as popping in the summer. And I mean, it's not as popping as it is in the summer, and it's still a hot girl summer. So, but Meg said she might be extending it, so we might get a hot girl fall. Okay. But anyways, the Suva Beauty illuminating drops are $26, so I cannot wait to use that. And then last but not least, got this palette from The Balm Cosmetics. And it's basically like a bunch of different things like that were like really popular from other palettes, or like just some individual things or whatever. And so it comes with 5 different eyeshadows, a bronzer, and 3 blushes, I believe. I don't know if I can use the bronzer. It is called Bahama Mama, and I think I've seen a lot of people use it before. But here it is. Oops, hold on. Let me hold that the right way. But here it is. It comes with a mirror, which I love. Hey, you can see me. But anyway, yeah. So there's the bronzer. I don't think it goes well with my skin, but I'll see what I can do with it. Probably use it as like an eyeshadow for what it's worth. I already swatched some of these. A lot of people say that swatches aren't really like the best way to, tell if a product is good or not. So I will be trying to, use that on my eyes, and probably come back and tell you guys how all that stuff is working. But yes, that was my this month's IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I'm also receiving the regular IPSY Glam Bag, so I will be coming back on here to show you guys that one, and hopefully I'll be cute, you know, but fingers crossed, because it might not happen. But yes, anyways, guys, I appreciate you for coming to watch my video, and with that being said, your girl is out.
Tropic groovy punch sipping, usually up, whipping for the stereo.